Some Louisville leaders are looking at releasing judicial records after a judge reduced a jury's recommended sentence for a man found guilty of violent crime.
Jamie Mays has been following Christopher Thompson's case since he was convicted in December. Jamie, his sentence has disappointed some people.
Rick, Vicky, we spoke to one Metro Council member who said he was upset with the outcome. He's not calling for a life sentence, but says a sentence that reflects the seriousness of the crimes was needed.
I really do have some serious concerns, and I'm extremely disappointed about the decision that Judge Davis made.
Metro Councilman Anthony Piagentini says more must be done to ensure judicial transparency in the wake of Christopher Thompson's sentencing. In December, Thompson was found guilty of kidnapping, sodomy, robbery, and sexual abuse. The jury in that case recommended 65 years in prison, which the Commonwealth's attorney says was most appropriate due to Thompson's actions and inappropriate outbursts in court. But Judge Tracy Davis sentenced Thompson to 30 years, saying she does not believe he is beyond rehabilitation.
It's unfortunate, but Mr. Thompson never actually got the opportunity to get any type of treatment, whether that be mental health treatment, whether that be anger management, etc. Unfortunately, he fell through the cracks.
She's made a decision. It was a legal decision. I'm not saying she did anything illegal. I'm simply questioning her judgment and whether or not this is the right thing for justice and the victims and this community.
Thompson's charges stemmed from an incident in July 2023. Police say Thompson pointed a gun at a woman, drove her to a nearby elementary school, and sexually assaulted her. Thompson then drove her to an ATM, forced her to withdraw money, and sexually assaulted her again.
This man was sentenced now to 30 years. Who believes that she will only be victimized for 30 years? I'm sure that this has changed her life literally forever, that her relationships and her mental state will never be the same.
Thompson has a criminal history. In 2023, he was charged with fleeing or evading police, receiving stolen property, and using restricted ammo. Court records say last year he was caught on an LMDC camera physically assaulting an officer. We've reached out to Judge Davis through the Jefferson Circuit Court staff attorney about the sentencing. Piagentini says he has more concerns about the number of shock probations Judge Davis has granted. He plans to request those records and put them out for the public to view. In the newsroom, I'm Jamie Mays, WLKY News.